Morning, everyone. It's about 8:45, and this is your video number 303, pre-market open. Again, I remind you, if you like our work, please hit the subscribe button. Okay, so COVID-19 numbers up again. New Jersey seeing a surge in young people, millennials, etc. The question is how they're getting it. They're trying to do contact tracking to find out whether this is from bars or parties or just normal circumstance. So they'll have some more information on that. Europe and Asia are both finishing the week a little bit stronger. That is with the exception, of course, of Wirecard, which I've discussed here a couple of times. It's down another 40% today. This is a payments company that somehow lost $2.1 billion of actual deposits. Looks like it may, in fact, have never existed. The weakest area this morning in our markets are the financials. The Fed has the dividend cap that they've put on, which is going to be based on formulas using recent income. So no borrowing to pay a dividend. Stock buybacks have already been suspended by most banks, so the fact that the Fed wants them suspended for the third quarter really means nothing. Airline executives have a White House meeting today, and on top of that, airline unions are asking for an additional $32 billion in a bailout. I have no idea what the unions need that kind of money for, although I'm sure they're somewhat underfunded. Personal income today was down 4.2%. The worst reading was 4.7%, and although it was down 4.2%, it was estimated to be down 7%. Spending was up 8.2%. That was versus a 9.3 expectation. So spending is somewhat healthy, but not nearly what they were looking for. And University of Michigan's consumer sentiment comes out in a little while. Inovio, as I mentioned last night, is up another $2.33. This is the vaccine delivery system. There's another one, Vaxart, VXRT, which was a $2.50 stock on Wednesday, closed yesterday 6.5, up 96, and right now is trading around 12, up an additional 90%. This company was chosen for an oral vaccine trial on primates financed by the government. So that's pretty exciting, up just a scant 500% in 2.5 days. Nike had a miss on both earnings and revenues, is down about 3. And as I mentioned, based on the Fed stress test results, the big losers are Goldman Sachs, which is down about 6, JP Morgan, which is down about $1.60. And on the upside, we have Amazon up about 17 on a recommendation from SunTrust with a new price target of $3,400, up from $2,700. As you can see, the oil is down a little. It was up twice that yesterday. It's really kind of floating around this 38, 39 area, and we really need to see it back above 40. The gold is basically unchanged in a very short range overnight, $13, and the index is the S&P is down 4.5, up 3.5 on the NASDAQ, and down 136 on the Dow. The Dow implied open right here is down about 155. So that's about it for the morning, and I'll be back during the day. Have a good one, and don't forget to subscribe.